Hello, this is Caleb again. So today I'm actually going to show you One Access, which is a branch from the Charlotte Mecklenburg Library that gives you access to certain information. So I'm going to look at teen health and wellness, just because I think it's something that's so important and not often talked about enough in schools. Like there's sex ed and stuff and health classes, but I don't feel like they're quite doing enough because there's a lot to factor into teenage health. So you come to this page, and so this is actually pretty cool. So it tells you about like developmental disabilities, body basics, diseases, drugs and alcohol, and it even goes into things like sexuality and sexual health. So we'll look at that first. It talks to you about abstinence and virginity, everything a female will deal with, everything males deal with, and it even talks about like sexual identity and technically gender identity too. I don't know why gender dysphoria and gender identity are under sexual identity when they have nothing to do with sexual orientation. That's how you know it's written by a cis person. And my only problem with this is just this is really binary and restrictive because like trans men need a lot of this same stuff as a girl would, but trans men are not girls. Same thing with trans women. You can also look at diversity, and it's about different like diverse groups like being biracial or biethnic, gender dysphoria / gendered identity, gender stereotypes, religious discrimination, and your rights as a LGBTQ plus teen. It also talks to you about a variety of other things, including grief and loss, safety, and skills for school, work, and life, which includes like financial literacy, first job, stuff like online skills, and just stuff that can transcend even throughout all your job, throughout all jobs and all careers you go into. Even just daily things in life, like citizenship skills or living on your own, is stuff you're going to need regardless of your job or profession or whether you're in college or not. Like at some point, you're going to be living on your own. I hope at least. Anyway, so you can also search stuff up. So, like, I don't know, just taking a gamble here. I guess all this, like, living with a single parent, bullying, cyberbullying, suicide. Oh yeah, that's also. Oh, it's hotline. It also gives you hotlines for like different issues, like the suicide hotline. Though I wish they could. Oh, there's more. Okay. So this is all the hotlines available, which is extremely helpful, especially since these are not always widely available, especially in regards to certain things. Like I had no idea there was an AIDS and HIV hotline. I really did not. Anyway, so that's teen health and wellness. I hope you guys found this informative, and hope you guys found this just as important as I did, because this needs to be talked about more.